Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying where the CPU cycles go and why they spike. Open top or H-top and sort by CPU percent to see the top offenders. Capture a 60-120 second trace so you have context. Once done, record load average and CPU steal to detect virtualization issues, and split user versus system time to tell whether apps or kernel work drives the load. Make sure to note IRQ and software activity. Those indicate hardware or driver problems rather than app logic. You now analyze traces to find expensive syscalls, hot functions, or blocking locks. Run perf or strace to pinpoint where time is spent, and inspect GC and thread dumps for pauses or contention. Once you know the cause, apply mitigations. Adjust NICE or UC groups to throttle, set CPU affinity to isolate workloads, or tune JVM GC and thread pools. Also verify disk and network I/O are not causing CPU wait. Addressing the root makes improvements durable rather than temporary. You finish by deploying fixes to a canary or staging host and monitoring for 15-30 minutes to confirm CPU utilization drops to baseline. Make sure to compare before and after traces and metrics. If CPU percent remains above baseline plus 20%, roll back and iterate on tuning parameters. Once stable, propagate to production gradually. Troubleshooting tip: always correlate metric spikes with a fresh trace. Metrics show symptom, but traces reveal the why, so use both to avoid chasing the wrong fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.